Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. For those that are just joining in, today we're going to be doing a kid freestyle braids, and I'm using the expression in the pre-stretch hair. So I'm going to be adding extension to our hair today. So I blew out our hair, I cut the extension into two and then feather the ends, like, so it's not blunt at the ends when you cut it off. So that's what I just did, and now I'm parting the section. This hairstyle was inspired by, I think it's a Pinterest post. It's either a Pinterest or an Instagram. I think it's a Pinterest because my daughter picked it out. So what I usually do is sometimes I pick out the style and sometimes she picks out the style. So, that's another way to get them interested in whatever hairstyle you're doing and get them seated and, not so grumpy. So here we go. So, I'm actually looking at the picture. She has the picture on a tablet, and I'm looking at it and trying to follow the design. So it's basically a side ponytail. I think to the left side. If she's facing us, it'll be to the right. But right now, with the way she's to the back, is going towards the left side of her head. And it's a stitch braid and then a rubber band crisscross braid. So here I'm doing the stitch braid, and you see the crisscross rubber band later. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You're already here, you're learning from me. I have other videos. Just go ahead and subscribe, and so you don't miss any new videos, go ahead and click the notification bell, because I'm gonna be here and you're already watching, and I know you're gonna learn something, or better still, you just enjoy watching me work. Okay, so just subscribe, click the notification bell so you know anytime I post up. So I'm done with the stitch braid. Here's the rubber band part. So this is how it goes, right? I'm using my Shine and Jam, of course, and you pat the first box. So you put the rubber band. I chose to use white. I think in the picture we saw she used rainbow colors, but my daughter decided she wanted white. So you do the same on the other side. You put a rubber band. Make sure you use your products to, slick it down, to reduce the frizz, to make it look neat. That's the whole purpose. So you do that. So we got the first two going. So now what you're gonna do is the one on the right, you pass it to the left. The one on the left, you pass it to the right. That's all. So you pass it to the other side and you rubber band it. So you're making the boxes. Keep going. Pass it, rubber band. Crease it, pass it to the other side. And you keep going, basically. That's it. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if you understand, but I hope you do understand. So I'm doing the other box. And just pass left and right, crisscross, left and right, crisscross. You see it? Just like that. But as you're passing it to the other box, you want to add more products to it to slick it down, so to reduce the frizz, because remember, we're not braiding the hair that you're passing around. So to reduce the frizz, add more products. So I'm going back with another stitch braid here, and notice I'm using my pinky to stitch it in, to give it the stitch line. Okay, and I'm adding hair. See, this is in a normal speed, so you guys can get it. So this is not a stitch braid tutorial, but yeah, you can also learn it here. I also have I have other stitch braid tutorials videos, so you can go ahead and just watch that after this. I'm gonna put the link in the description or somewhere at the top here. So just stitching it up, stitching it left and right, stitching it, and ending it with the braids at the end. So yeah, go ahead and like and subscribe, and don't be selfish. Let us share with our friends and family. You have that friend that has a kid, you know, we want our kids to be looking right on the streets, so in this summer street. So let's, connect, share, like, repost. Here I'm putting the perm rods to give it the curly ends, just like the picture. We follow in a picture. It's an inspired look. So here we go. I'm just putting the mousse to tame in any, frizzy hair we might have mistakenly left out, and to also moisturize the hair. So it does both. And I'm putting the spritz to lay down the frizz. Lay down. It's all about that neat look. It's all about that finished look. I mean, we just want it to be finished and look good. That's the end. She's always moving every time I spray. She's like, it's cold. Here we go. So I'm putting the growth oil from the Bronner's Brothers on here, and I'm just laying out edges, not with any product in particular, but with the mousse that is already there, because Annie, she has a natural baby hair. This is not an adult hair, it's baby hair, because she's still a baby. This is my daughter, by the way. This is Ewa, me, my daughter. So you can go ahead and follow her Instagram. She's Ewa's World 1. Ewa's World. So I'm tying it down. I don't even know what they call this. The black strip? Yeah. So tying it down, put in the do-rag. You know how this goes already. Put the perm rods where the perm rods is at. We dip that in hot water. We use the blow dryer to, dry out all the mousse and everything, so they, marinate into the hair, look good, stay in there. And here's the final look. Here is the final look. And guys, drink your water. It's summer. Drink your water. Yes. Yes, this is the neat look for me. Enjoy your day and have a radiant week. Have a radiant day. And don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Thanks for coming back. And if you're new, thanks for joining. God bless you. Bye-bye.